My name is Priscilla Kobi, and I'm so excited to be talking to you guys from my home about stress management. I am a clinical research coordinator for the Epilepsy Foundation of America, and I'm also a person living with epilepsy. You all know that we are living in a very high stress time in the world as we're dealing with the global pandemic of COVID-19. But we can do our part to reduce our stress and maintain our health if we learn proper coping mechanisms. Coping mechanisms are positive tools that anybody can use to reduce their stress levels. They range from exercising to arts and craft. It can even involve spending quality time with your family members. Whatever you can do to reduce your stress can really improve your overall health. As a person living with epilepsy, I am well aware that stress is one of my triggers to having unprovoked seizures. And so reducing my stress levels is imperative to my overall health. So I have over the years developed so many coping mechanisms to help me deal with stress. And today I figured that I will share some of the coping mechanisms that I'm using in this current pandemic to reduce my stress levels. If you don't know, I have amazing dogs, okay? Like, they're the best dogs on the planet. My beautiful Yorkies and I spend quality time together, even more now because I am working from home. I use this coping mechanism of spending time with my dogs to go on long walks or jogs and reflect on my life and the great adventures that I can get into once the pandemic is over. And that always puts joy on my face because I really get a moment to meditate and reflect. Another coping mechanism that I've been using is spending quality time with my husband doing arts and craft. We love painting, so we paint at home, or we get in the kitchen and we bake or cook a really nice meal for the both of us to have. Lastly, I have been binge watching Netflix. Although that might not seem like a coping mechanism for some people, it can be a coping mechanism for others, as you can find really great shows to get into with your friends and loved ones and talk about it over social media, or even have a Zoom conference with your friends and watch the shows together. You can even get in the kitchen and bake something nice or cook something nice and have a meal with your family while watching a great show. These are amazing coping mechanisms that you can use to reduce your stress. So today, I want to challenge all of you to get out there and find your coping mechanism that you can use to reduce your stress. It was nice chatting with you, and once again, thanks for visiting me at my home.